Hello, my name's Oliver and welcome to Crypto Bible News. In today's news, we're going to be looking at the following stories. Sandbox COO views the Ethereum Metaverse game as a digital nation. Over 20,000 Bitcoin ATMs installed in 1 year. DAO aims to raise $5 million to resurrect Blockbuster video. That's exciting, that one. Sandbox COO views the Ethereum Metaverse game as a digital nation. Digital land sales are booming lately following rising interest in crypto games and Facebook's prominent push into the Metaverse. But Ethereum-based Metaverse games like the Sandbox, Decentraland, and Axie Infinity have been selling virtual plots for years, before Metaverse hype picked up steam. If spending hundreds or thousands of dollars on digital land parcels still seem far-fetched today, then imagine the gamble when the Sandbox first offered them up in 2019. Early adopters are now seeing the benefits, with the game's Sand token and land NFTs all becoming vastly more valuable of late. In an interview with Decrypt, the Sandbox co-founder and COO, Sebastian Borgit, said it's validating to see his team's idea for a community-owned, user-customizable online game world embraced by more people. And while the game isn't fully open to the public just yet, people are buying and selling land parcels in anticipation of building upon them. Every single day, the map is different. There are new landowners and new communities that come and decide to build things next to each other, he said. I feel like it's a digital nation, living and breathing. That's why it's exciting. It's culturally rich, it's global, and it's accessible. The Sandbox looks a fair bit like Microsoft's smash hit Minecraft at a glance, a virtual playground world full of blocks to play with, akin to digital Lego bricks. The difference comes in the form of virtual asset ownerships, as users can purchase plots of land on the shared online map and build their own game experiences on them. Each land plot is represented by an NFT, which acts as a blockchain-backed deed of ownership for a digital item. Such NFTs are owned by players and can be resold or transferred as they please. Why might people buy virtual land aside from the speculative investment, you may ask? In the Sandbox, landowners can build on their digital space, whether it's to design a community hangout or an NFT gallery, or even to design an interactive game. Plus, users can buy up land to rent out to other creators for a fee. Celebrities and brands are buying in. Rapper Snoop Dogg, already a major NFT collector and creator, will launch interactive experience within the Sandbox, including live concerts, NFTs, and more. And fans are paying top dollar to live next to Snoop in the Metaverse. Who wouldn't? With one collector spending more than $450,000 just for an adjacent plot of land. Meanwhile, brands like Adidas or Adidas, Atari, and The Walking Dead have all acquired land in the Sandbox, with plans to establish their own Metaverse outposts. Over 20,000 Bitcoin ATMs are installed in a year. ATM locations offering users options to buy and exchange cryptocurrencies with fiat money are increasing at an unprecedented rate. Data compiled by Coin ATM Radar shows that their number towards the end of 2021 is nearing 34,000. That's quite a lot. In a year, that saw crypto market all-time highs. Over 20,000 new devices have popped up globally. According to the installation growth chart, updated by the tracking website, Bitcoin ATMs were fewer than 13,000 in December 2020. That's all ATM locations registered since October 2013, while 12 months later, they have exceeded that and got 33,900. Crypto teller machines can be found in almost any corner of the planet, but their spread is still quite concentrated. Around 30,000 of all BATMs, Bitcoin ATMs, approximately 90% of the gross figure, are running in the US. In its northern neighbor, Canada, is a distant second with a little over 2,200 machines. Bitcoin-friendly El Salvador is already among the leaders with its 205 machines, overtaking EU countries such as Spain, which is less than 200, and Austria with its 142 as of December 29th. The whole of Europe has only 1,384 cryptocurrency ATMs, lagging behind key markets in North America. A number of companies now manufacture automated teller machines supporting cryptocurrencies. The biggest players in the market are Genesis Coin with almost 14,000 devices, General Bytes with more than 7,500, and Bit Access with close to 5,000. CoinSource and Bitstop with less than 2,000 each complete the top 5. At least 6,000 businesses maintain crypto ATMs in different parts of the world, with the 10 largest operators running 70% of them all. The largest companies in the sector are Bitcoin Depot, which holds a fifth of the market with over 6,600 machines, followed by CoinCloud, over 4,600, and CoinFlip, almost 3,500. The teller machines support various cryptocurrencies and are either one-way or two-way devices. The latter offers users the ability not only to buy, but also to sell their digital coins. Most ATMs provide an opportunity to purchase Bitcoin, and many other offer major coins such as Bitcoin Cash, Ether, and Litecoin. DAO aims to raise $5 million to resurrect Blockbuster Video. That's a name from the past, isn't it? A new decentralized autonomous organization, known as a DAO, has been formed with the goal of buying the Blockbuster brand from Dish Network and turning it into a film studio and streaming platform. This sounds exciting stuff. Blockbuster Video is an American video rental company, I'm sure you know. Founded in 1985, which once had 6,000 stores globally. Wow. And at one point was valued at over $8 billion. Before it shuttered everywhere, almost all of its operations in 2014. It is currently owned by Dish Network and operates just one store in Bend, Oregon. The DAO interested in liberating Blockbuster from Dish Network is the aptly named Blockbuster DAO. The DAO explained in December 26 in a tweet its plans on rallying a grassroots effort to buy Blockbuster by raising at least $5 million through a Blockbuster DAO NFT minting event. Each NFT will be valued at 0.13 ETH. Blockbuster DAO plans on turning Blockbuster into a decentralized film, DFilm, streaming studio. DFilm is an experiment launched in July which proposes to actually make a movie with decision-making happening on a blockchain. Blockbuster seems to be a fitting name for such a project. I have to agree with that. The DAO is currently composed of about 9,000 netizens on Twitter and a Discord server who deliberate over how the DAO can achieve its goals. The Blockbuster DAO appears to be tapping into the social media-led desire to resurrect meme stock brands such as GameStop and AMC, while following a similar path to that laid down by Constitution DAO just over a month ago. Constitution DAO aimed to buy an original copy of the Constitution of the United States of America from the Dorothy Tapper Goldman Foundation at auction, if you guys remember. The Constitution DAO ultimately failed to achieve its goal as hedge fund manager Kenneth Griffin paid a total of $43.2 million for the copy in Sotheby's auction back on November 19th. Following the auction, the DAO offered full refunds for anyone who donated. Those people did not take refunds and kept their people tokens. So my question to you guys is, what do you think about the Blockbuster DAO? Does it give you some old school memories going in the Blockbuster, looking at the different videos? It definitely does me. Let me know your thoughts about the Blockbuster DAO and if you think it's cool in the comments below. So that's been the news. Some interesting stuff there. Let me know, as always, what you think about that in the comments below. Don't forget, throw me a like, press that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss any of our new upcoming videos. And once again, remember to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for joining me for today.